Good morning, students. Today exercise number 1.7, second sum. Okay, already you did it in non-homogeneous linear, like that here also. Determine the values of lambda for which following equations. It's given this is a homogeneous equation because see all the equal values equal to 0. See homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equations only we have only two cases. One is a unique solutions or trivial solution. Second one is a non-trivial solution. That means infinitely number of solution. Now we'll come to our solution. Second number 2, solution. Given equations are, it's very important sum, 5 marks sum for this exercise, equal to 0. 4x plus 3y plus 4 lambda is z equal to 0. 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. Then we got to write matrix equation is 1 1 3 4 3 lambda 2 1 2. Then you got to write x y z that is equal to 0 0 0. Okay, shall I write this a x? You can write o or b, that is your wish, or you can write b, that is your wish. Then augmented matrices. How to write the augmented matrix? You combine, write this two matrix a bar o equal to, what is a and o? 1 1 3 0 4 3 lambda 0 2 1 2 0. Then we want to convert 0 of these two elements. Okay, here 1 is the smallest number, so no problem. So you got to, shall I multiply by 1 in the first row and then minus r1 and r2, then multiply by 2 in the r1 and minus r1 minus r2 minus r1, r3 minus r1. Okay, by row elementary transformation, r2 gives r2 minus 4 times of r1, r3 gives r3 minus 2 times of r1. Okay, now here 1 1 3 0 0 0, sorry 0. Then here now you take first second row 4 3 lambda 0, multiply by minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 12 0. The answer is 0 minus 1. First write positive and then negative 0. See the second row 0 minus 1 lambda minus 12 0. Go to third row 2 1 2 0, multiply by minus 2 in the first row, minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 0. The answer is 0 minus 1 minus 4 0. 0 minus 1 minus 4 0. Is it clear? Now you got to convert it to triangle shape 0. I want 0 here, but I don't want any the lambda values here. Shall I interchange these two rows? R2 replace R3. Then how to write 1 1 3 0 equal to second row 1 minus 1 minus 4 0. Then third row is 0 minus 1 lambda minus 12 0. I want to convert it 0 this row. So shall I minus these two rows? R3 gives R3 minus of R2. So what is the answer? 1 1 3 0 0 minus 1 minus 4 0 0 0 minus 1 lambda minus 12 0. Then 0 plus 1 plus 4 0. What is the answer? 0 0 lambda minus 8 0. This is the third row answer. Lambda minus 8 0. It is in row echelon form. Is it clear, ma? Then now we got to substitute the lambda value. If you substitute exactly 8 0, so trivial non-trivial we want to find. Shall I write number 1? unique solution, or you can write unique solution, or that is a trivial solution because of homogeneous equation. For this trivial solution, outright shall I put here, if lambda equal to trivial means I want number, so lambda minus case if lambda minus 8 is not equal to 0, அப்ப lambda is any real number. You can take any number. So shall I take lambda equal to 1? So a bar 0 equal to, I want to apply here, so 1, what will come, 1 1 3 0, correct? Second row is 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 4 0. Third row you have to put plus 1 now, so minus 7, plus 0 0 minus 7 0. Now write down what is a bar o, rank 3, row of a is 3, therefore row of a equal to row of a bar o equal to 3, that is equal to number of unknown. Okay, but therefore the given system is consistent and has a unique solution, that is it is trivial solution. So trivial solution mean no need to take and write the equation, you have to directly write down. Therefore x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Then come to second case 2, non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. Okay, now if exactly you got to take lambda minus 8 equal to 0, lambda equal to 8. Now substitute a or 0 equal to first row 1 1 3 0, second row 0 minus 1 minus 4 0, third row here you want to put 8, apply 8 minus 8 is 0 0 0. Now you write down rank of a bar 0 equal to 2, a is 2, row of a equal to 2, therefore row of a equal to row of a bar 0 2 equal to less than 3, it is equal to number of unknown. Then unknown means, therefore the given system is consistent. I told you already, homogeneous is always consistent only and has infinitely many solution, that is it is non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. Then you take and write the equations are, take from here x plus y plus is 3z equal to 0, x is 0 minus y minus 4z equal to 0. Now put z equal to k, so k is belonging to R except 0. Okay, so except 0, so substitute here, this is number 1, this is number 2, so what will come, that is minus y, substitute in 2, minus y minus 4 is it equal to 0, minus y minus 4k equal to 0, minus y equal to 4k, y is equal to 4k, minus 4k, substitute y equal to minus 4k, z equal to k in 1. So in 1, x plus y plus 3z equal to 0. X minus 4k plus 3 of k equal to 0. Up x minus k equal to 0, x is equal to k. Up therefore x comma y comma z equal to k comma minus 4k comma k. So k is belonging to R, which is what? Non-trivial solution, which form a one parameter family of solution. Is it clear, children? XA model. It's a homogeneous equation. So we have only two conditions: matrix augmented, and then second row first element, third row first element converted to 0. After converted to 0, then you have to form a triangle shape 0. After creating triangle shape 0, we got to apply two cases because of if this is a homogeneous, we'll get only two cases. One is a trivial or non-trivial. Trivial means we got to write exactly x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. No need to show any equations. Then we got to write non-trivial means you have to give x is equal to lambda equal to opposite value of this one. So it will come 2 2 or 1 1 depending upon the question. Consistent infinitely many solution. Put z equal to k. We have only one parameter. Then you will get x is equal to y equal to z. That k is belonging to real number. It's very important, 5 mark, children. Like same example sums you have to try the example number 3.1.37, or you can sub 1.38 and 1.40. You try this example sum. Any doubt, ma? Thank you.